My name's Ryan. I'm out here with Oceanbotics. We engineer and manufacture our underwater ROV. Just going to review some of the key features of our vehicle, starting with the 8-vector thrusters. This patented design allows us to perform precision maneuvers underwater. You're going to see our vehicle flies a lot similar to an aerial drone, allowing for precision retrievals or grabs with our grabber, along with precision inspections with our camera. The vehicle comes standard with depth, pitch, and bearing locks. If you are doing a bottom search or a hull inspection, you're actually able to pitch the vehicle up and still go forwards, backwards, up and down, and left and right, even in a higher current. If you're interested in learning more about our ROVs, its capabilities, and our integrated accessories, please reach out to the link below to speak with our ROV specialist.